This video is sponsored by Squarespace. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be testing out this FujiFilm GFX50s for you and we'll let you know what I think about it. Okay, so we're going to be shooting with this bad boy. I recently asked you guys which camera would you like me to try out, and this Fujifilm was the top of the list, so I decided to give it a go and try a large format. It was pretty exciting for me. I haven't shot with a large format for a while. I've been mostly shooting with cropped or full sensors, so it was pretty exciting for me to play around with it. Ooh. Do you hear how quiet it is? That's pretty cool. Beautiful. For our first location, we were actually shooting in Croatia. We had this really beautiful apartment we were shooting at for other things, and we decided to step out onto the balcony and take some shots with the camera because I thought that the view was so beautiful, the light was really amazing, and I just really wanted to give it a go and see how it looks. The Fujifilm GFX50s is a medium format mirrorless camera with 51.4 megapixels, CMOS sensor, X processor, 4-image processor, and an ISO range of 100 to 12,800. It has 3.69 million dot OLED viewfinder, 3.2-inch tilting touchscreen LCD,
yes, love
and
that.
4K video recording up to 30 frames per second. I need to figure out the focus here, 1 second, because focus area, single points, AF mode, tracking, white tracking, okay, start AF, break it AF, pre-AF, we don't need, face eye detection setting, there we go, face eye detection, eye auto, perfect. For our second location, we shot at this really nice beach. We put a color matching outfit on my model at first, and then we switched into this pink outfit that I'm going to be discussing in a little bit, but let's have a look at the camera and some of its specs first. Love, 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 love.
Is the position okay?
Yeah, it looks really nice. Do you know what? You could even kind of like plop on the, you could like maybe do something like this on the thing. Yeah, that's super nice. Now let's talk about some of my favorite features of this camera. The Fujifilm GFX50s is a medium format mirrorless camera that offers impressive features and image quality at a really affordable price, especially when you're looking at medium formats. It has 51.4 megapixel sensor with excellent color reproduction, and it includes 19 film simulations as with all the other Fujifilm cameras. The camera's autofocus system is rapid and reliable, and it offers an in-body image stabilization, which is super helpful for a medium format, especially when handheld. The GFX50s design is ergonomic and balanced, and its image quality is rich with detail and dynamic range. The camera is pretty lightweight at 900 grams and also offers good battery life. Where's my f7.1? Okay, that makes sense. This photo shoot was a pretty interesting experience for me. As most of you know, I am used to shooting on a mirrorless camera that is a full frame, and I usually take quite a lot of photos quite fast. So having to have a medium format and having to step back and slow down and just think about my shots and give it a bit more time to focus has definitely been an interesting experiment for me. This video is sponsored by Squarespace. Are you looking to create a stunning website that showcases your brand and tells your story? Look no further than Squarespace. With their easy-to-use platform and beautiful templates, you can design a professional and modern website in a matter of hours. Squarespace is perfect for photographers, small business owners, and entrepreneurs. Don't let the lack of coding skills hold you back from creating a website that you'll be proud to show off. There are hundreds of fully customizable templates to choose, so you can really make it your own. The platform is packed with features like e-commerce, SEO, and social media integrations, which is crucial when it comes to running your photography business. If you're like me and constantly on the phone or in meetings with clients, Squarespace offers you scheduling tools for your website as well. These tools allow you to create and manage appointments, bookings, and reservations through your Squarespace website. Your customers will be able to view your availability, schedule appointments, and pay for services directly at the site as well. If that sounds like something you'd like to try, make sure to go to squarespace.com for a free trial, and once you're ready to go, use my code squarespace.com/Anita. Here are some of the camera negatives. Even though the focus has improved much in comparison to its older models, it still does not match the speed of some of the mirrorless cameras nowadays and has quite a lot to improve in my opinion. The camera's older sensor and contrast-based focusing system might not be ideal for fast-paced environments and action photography. I think their menu system could be improved a little bit, and its video capabilities are still limited, like with most Fujifilm cameras in general. I still think that the GFX50s is a really beautiful specialized tool that will be perfect for fine art photography, nature, portrait, but it just might not be suitable for action, sports, or street photography. Last thing that I wanted to mention is the lens that I used. I used a zoom lens, a GF32 to 64mm f4, and it was a really beautiful lens. I really enjoyed working with it. However, I will say I really wished there was a 2.8 zoom option for this camera. Unfortunately, there isn't. They do have a few primes available at 2.8 and lower. There's one even at 1.7. However, as you guys know, I do prefer my zoom lenses because they're a bit more versatile than the primes usually tend to be. So that's just something that I wanted to mention. The lens was still beautiful. It was still really good quality, but it is something to keep in mind that you do not have an option under f4 for your zoom lenses. Overall, I have to say I am super impressed with the camera and I really loved shooting with it. I think the price for the image quality is absolutely insane. It is such a good deal, and especially for how portable and small it is. There's something to be said about this. I think it's very rare that you find a camera like this. I absolutely love the Fuji colors. I love the fact that you can still use the film simulations to give you a better idea of a more film kind of aesthetic. And I, in general, think it's such a good investment because the lens and the camera body itself are pretty affordable and light and portable, which is just so great. Overall, I really love the camera. I think it's a very interesting camera to use. It's very different from any of my other mirrorless cameras that I've tested out and used over the years. I think it has a very special, beautiful look, especially if you're trying to imitate film. It's a very good option. And again, it is a super affordable one as well, which is a big plus, especially nowadays when gear can be so expensive. Okay guys, this is for today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Let me know if you tested out the camera and if you enjoyed it. And if you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time.